your project?
So our project is called Somni and it's by Ayahi, and we are an experiential art atelier. And what this project tries to do is essentially synthesize different fields, technology, art, light, sound, all together into one integral experience. We have actually an immersive setup in that the audience gets to no more be a third person audience looking at the art, but kind of becomes the art. So they get to interact with it and they get to shape the art in whatever way they want to.
It was beautiful. I think very experimental and there's so much potential with what they're doing. It was a great way to interact with the ideas. So I really loved the endless possibilities that they are presenting.
What was
I
your
felt
experience?
really interactive actually with the whole motion and the frequency and the movements. It was really beautiful, I guess, with the textures on it as well.
I mean, as a tech, as an art form, it has interesting possibilities. I feel. I mean, we could just sit there and looking at it, but I think combined with some other things, it can kind of create more meaning. This stick has a lot of potential.
We have been doing collaborations before.
Everything inside was very special. This is the first time we are experiencing this. I really enjoyed it, and my son really enjoyed it, and my wife really enjoyed it.
Yeah, we all enjoyed it really.
It was an incredible experience. It was really, it's fascinating. The minute that I walked in, it was like coming into another dimension, and just this interactive experience that takes you out of your head and allows you to really connect to the art and the light, and it's really brilliant what they do. It's a fascinating, I felt like I was creating universes with my hands.
I know you are a yoga proponent. Would you enjoy doing this with yoga?
Yeah,
Because the poses would create different
Sure.
universes while you're doing your yoga poses.
Absolutely, like it would be a great addition to like guided meditation and on beats and having the whole immersive experience. Like if someone's doing yoga nidra, just having this like wash over a person, that would be incredible. I thought the experience of like walking through it and just the space was very nice. It was open. It felt inviting. It was nothing like I've done or seen before.
So tell me your experience. What was
Well,
it like?
Lalit sir, really nice experience. We have not had this experience before. There were always people orchestrating this from behind the screen. But here at this point when we can see we can control and immerse ourselves in this is something for the first time. Yes.
Just to know, I can't even, I didn't know what I was getting into until I got here, and now I'm just trying to take in everything.
You have all the impact.
For the next slot, we start checking. Is this one interactive? Yes, this one? Yes, this is
Yeah.
What was your experience?
So this is something very unique. I mean, it's happening for the first time in Pondi, and I haven't frankly seen something like this. It's just something very unique that I've never seen, and it's beautiful. So
What was the highlight for you?
the highlight, of course, was the second cloud there with the sound, and how with moving your hand you can sort of create different kinds of music just with motion. When you actually see it for yourself and feel it for yourself, it's a whole new different experience. It does sort of show you in what direction maybe performances will sort of be in the future.
Vidhu, congratulations first. A big crowd came to see your artwork, yours and Vinay's. So what do you feel after the first day?
I'm really grateful that so many people are actually taking to this new kind of immersive art, and they're really engaging with it and not feeling shy and holding back. So it was really nice to see.
Get some new ideas?
Definitely, a lot of people came to us with very interesting ideas. They were like, it would be cool if you did this, it would be cool if you did this, and that really started turning a lot of ideas in our own heads as well.
Are you planning some new additions to what already is?
Hopefully we'll be seeing many more versions of Somni in the future. Les visuels, il réagit avec vos mouvements. Même le son, il réagit. Et si vous venez à droite, comme ça, et vous pouvez laisser, et ça reste.
Is this music designed by you?
Yes, so all the sound design, the music and the creative stuff has been worked on by me.
I see there are no beats in it. Is that intentional?
Yes, so Somni is derived from somnambulist. So the whole idea is to have a dreamlike experience, and I've consciously avoided any kind of rhythmic kind of scenario.
Already it is coming on. This is the spot.
Our movements here.
Yes.
Huh?
It will respond.
Oh, that's the idea.
You can create your own art with music. Art. I wanted to ask your feelings after this first day.
So I think it was an interesting response. Got some really useful feedback, in fact, from different perspectives and how to use the same thing in different applications. A lot of people enjoyed different things in different ways, and they really enjoyed the fact that it was bringing art and technology together into an experience which was, you know, getting them immersed into a totally different kind of multi-sensorial world and taking them away from the reality almost. And that was really good to hear, and you know, from the audience.
It was eclectic actually, so really enjoyed the whole experience. The play with light, the sensors and everything, it was brilliant. I've never experienced something like this before. So first time and thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Maman, elle est sportive, hein? On lui fait tout faire.
Vas-y.
nice. So this is something that I've never seen in my life.
Oh, it was really good. We never experienced something like this, and I think they're really talented and to come up with something so different.
We were so excited that we booked like 3 shows and joined the wait list.
Because we really wanted to not miss it. Actually, we've not heard or read about something like that before. So, especially in India. So it was, we did not want to miss it. And it was totally worth the experience.
Yes.
And good.
And so we're from Bombay, and we were so excited that we recommended the artists to really come to Bombay because this would be really amazing over there. People would really love it, and we'd surely like to come back again. And especially the first one where you enter, the sensor one, it is the brilliant thing.
Where you're creating.
Yes, it is so brilliant. Like
You didn't imagine this, right?
No, not at all. No. Like you're a part of it. Because when we just enter, we thought it's just a calming experience, like a meditation or something. But as we moved in and we got to be a part of it, it was just amazing.
Would Somni be one of your highlights?
Sorry?
Would Somni would be one of your highlights?
Oh, it would be like in my top 3.
And how was it?
So it was nice and simple. It was quite interactive, so that was nice.
I feel like I really got to experience my body. You know, body, music, it was all connected, which is not so usual. You do it physically, right? But it felt very different.
Génial, et j'ai beaucoup aimé l'écran là quand on dansait et que ça changeait de couleur. Merci beaucoup pour l'expérience.
Well, this is absolutely unprecedented in Pondicherry. You know, it was such a privilege to be here, and especially in these circumstances, and feel this moment of utter liberation and creativity.
Happy with the turnout. A lot of people have come, and a lot of people from different backgrounds with from very diverse fields. So that's really wonderful. And what's really rewarding is when people come out and say that they have never experienced something like this before. We want to share this with as many people as possible. That's really what we'd like to do. And I think we have been able to do that.
Oh, hi Lalit. First of all, I'm amazed by the work that you've been doing. I was not aware, but today since I'm aware, I really want to appreciate for whatever you've been doing for Pondicherry.
Thank you.
So thank you for being so dedicated. And so this, the event that is currently happening, it's like, you know, being into a futuristic world where you have this very soothing music and lights. And it's amazing to see that you encourage, you know, young generation to come forward and you know, express and also you know, invite people to experience without charging them, which is, you know, the best part. So I really want to appreciate and thank you for whatever you've been doing for Pondicherry. And Pondicherry is blessed to have one dedicated person, Lalit Verma. Very unique. I've never seen something like this before. You know, Pondicherry is a tourist place, and something like this has never come over the last few years. So we've not seen something which has a mixture of art, music, technology, and especially interaction with technology. So that is very unique, and we hope to see something like this further, more in a big scale as well in Pondicherry.
Lovely, Isha. You have made the place more beautiful. Thank you.
C'est vraiment une très belle expérience dans un lieu tout à fait magnifique qui accueille merveilleusement bien. Ouais, pour moi c'est intégral. Et j'allais dire, on est dans le beau, dans le bon, dans le vrai. C'était comme un parcours parfait. Vraiment, c'est exceptionnel d'avoir ça ici au pied de chez moi. J'habite à quelques mètres. Je suis vraiment pleine de gratitude.
was very beautiful. It was very surreal, and I'd love to do it again if it ever comes. Keep doing what you're doing because you're making everyone happy.
So hi, how was your experience?
It was amazing. It was actually very nice. It was the first time we saw something like this. Yeah.
And which was your highlight?
The first one. It's actually the best. Yeah.
So what did you feel when you played with the light and the sound?
It was kind of magical. Yeah, it was kind of power. You have waves or like when you just walk around or something.
Great, I'm so happy. What do you do? Your students?
We are students.
Oh, from the JIPA?
Yes.
Oh, that's why you're so creative and great. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us.
Experience tonight. I saw you dancing.
Yeah, actually we just stopped at one station and it's amazing. We want to stay there all night.
Yeah, it's pretty much like that.
What did you feel?
You have good handwriting. I don't know what to say. It's like quite an experience, like with the light, how it moves and all that.
It feels quite futuristic, and also I think this is gonna come a lot in the future. Like I felt actually like we're kind of so used to things we can see and name and put a label on, and this is more like you cannot really put a label on it so much.
Yeah.
So it's interesting.
So good. You like the science and art mixed together. You don't see it very often in India.
Yeah. It's a really nice combination. It's interesting.
It was a nice experience. Like it was interactive, and especially the music section. Like different people interpreted the music in different ways, and the association of the lights with it. It was a nice experience.
Thank you. What about you?
The best thing about this show is like everywhere you see like something as a there's some light, there's some sound, but here like you feel like you are this light yourself, you're the sound yourself. Like you are one with the sound and the light. That's what so like unique about this art show. That's what I love the most.
What about you?
I felt like I'm a kid.
Wow. So good. What next?
We have quite a few collaborations opening up with a lot of people, and a lot of people are really interested in the work, and hopefully we get to bring this more to the public in different ways and different forms. And yeah, let's see what happens with the ideas that are there. The takeaway is that we underestimated the public in a way, you know. We underestimated the excitement and the kind of engagement that we would get, and it was really great to see such a positive and really fun and lively experience by everybody. Things like this with interactive lighting, and so we just love to see what is possible.
This is something new, like the public is getting to experience this, they are getting to engage with what they are doing, and it's something very meaningful. Nowhere they would have experienced something like this, something very new for the full public.
How would you describe the experience?
How would I describe the experience? Mesmerizing, peaceful.
Thank you.
So Lalit uncle, what has been your experience with this entire project that we've been doing?
Mithu, you know, I've had the good fortune of showcasing over 2,000 events in my garden. And last year alone we did around 253 events. For me, this experience that you, that is Mithu and Vinay, work together of this Somni experience is one of the highlights. There are two reasons for it. Other than you being part of the same institute I grew up in, but also and being inspired by the same ideology and same principles. But the other thing was that I have had dance performances, music performances, literature, I've had music, and I've had sometimes some scientific stuff too, because I also run an art gallery. But here, for the first time, I see a beautiful involvement of art, music, light, and artificial intelligence weaving together and responding together and creating original forms with movements. So it is an experience that I will not forget, and I'm very proud of you all to have given Pondicherry a new touch which was lacking. What it has done to me physically and spiritually is that it has given not only an integral experience, not only a calming experience, but it has also inspired me not only to just create new things, but also go inside. Because the forms could be very dramatic, the form could be very external, but each form that is being made because of your music and the kind of software and artwork that you have created, it is basically extremely internalizing. So this is really, for me, probably of the future of art and sharing for the world. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is we met a doctor the other day who was telling us that there are a lot of possibilities with this kind of immersive art in the field of treating patients, say with ADHD or schizophrenia or any kind of erratic disorders. Maybe movements and immersive art experiences like this can really help them calm down and really settle down into a very stable consciousness.
So there was this one girl at the light installation with the music, and at the end when you're supposed to raise your arm to finish the entire piece, she didn't want to raise her arm. She was like, no, I want to listen to this music constantly, and she just kept her arm there.
I think definitely the first incident that I found very touching is when the children came into the installation and all of them immediately enjoyed it. And slowly the children encouraged the adults also to go around and run around more and play around more. So that was definitely one thing which really touched me, because children are absolutely enthralled by such an experience. And I think the children in adults also start to open up when they see experiences like these.
Turn it up slowly to the right. The sounds are much more bright. So this way I can control the timbre of the sound exactly like one might do on a violin, but this is completely virtual. Now once I'm happy with the sound, I can leave that sound there by just doing that, and then I can go to the next note. And here I can actually... Yeah. We weren't really expecting so many people to be interacting with this entire experience, because we thought people will be shy, people would be a little reserved in trying to interact, but the moment we saw that people were coming in and just constantly waiting for their turn just to be able to interact for 5 minutes, it was such a great response to see how invested and excited they were in this entire experience. But we're hoping for collaborations with local artists, architects and dancers especially, because we're looking at interaction with bodies and light and sound. and hopefully that would give us a very good broad different perspectives into how we could use multiple disciplines into one single art form. I think I feel a little more confident with being able to actually do this at such a big scale. Having so many people come in and having people interact with this. Of course there are glitches because we're also all the time learning and experimenting, but there's a lot more learning that's happened seeing people use it, whereas in a performance they're not the extreme use cases, but through this you learn a lot more about how people are, how people behave, and understanding how people react to all of this on a deeper level. And that's something that's really come off from this entire thing. Unbelievable, and the entire, from people's response to things working out so well, it's very calming.
Thank you.
I always thought that Lalit is a jar of art jar of Puducherry, and today he has invited me, and it was really a privilege and pleasure to have been here. Particularly our two students of Ashram, Mrityunjay and Vinay, they have done fabulous job. They have done the mix of art and science, which is what I mean, kind of a frontier of humankind at this point in time. And I was really amazed the way the creativity has been spawned, how the light, music, video, sensors, they have been mixed together. I can foresee a lot of applied use which could even be a commercial kind of implication, and it is not just in theory. So I am really very pleased to have been here. Thank you very much. Thank you to creators of the art, particularly Mrityunjay and Vinay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
She hasn't studied it yet. You might not.
I know about it.
One practical one is that people said that it might be nice to receive a kind of short explanation, as you were suggesting, just to tell them what they're supposed to do, because not many people are familiar with it.
Can you give it to me in just 2 sentences what they're supposed to do?
Open up and engage with the art.